hypertensive emergency में there is end organ damage. If end organ damage is evident, it is hypertensive emergency, and if there's no end organ damage, then it's urgency, hypertensive urgency. What are the conditions that it can cause? Retinopathy, encephalopathy, congestive heart failure, pulmonary edema, eclampsia, present irrespective of blood pressure readings. Okay, so there's end organ damage in case of hypertensive emergency, like encephalopathy, retinopathy, CHF, pulmonary edema, and eclampsia. And what is the blood pressure level in case of this emergency or urgency? In both, the diastolic blood pressure is greater than 120 and the systolic pressure is greater than 220. So if the diastolic pressure is greater than 120 mmHg and systolic greater than 220, then it is called hypertensive emergency or urgency. The difference is in end organ damage. If end organ damage is there, then hypertensive emergency, और end organ damage नहीं है, then hypertensive urgency. What is the treatment? hypertensive emergency के लिए intravenous और hypertensive urgency के लिए oral. ठीक है, तो emergency में क्या है? निकार्डिपिन except in pregnancy where intravenous labetalol is used. तो अगर नॉर्मल है, मतलब प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन नहीं है और उसमें हाइपरटेंसिव इमरजेंसी है, देन वी यूज़ निकार्डिपिन. पर इफ़ देयर इज़ अ प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन विथ हाइपरटेंसिव इमरजेंसी केस, देन वी यूज़ labetalol. And in case of hypertensive urgency, the drug of choice is clonidine. Captopril and nifedipine can also be used. Okay. So in hypertensive urgency, labetalol can also be used. Captopril, nifedipine, clonidine, and even amlodipine orally is given in hypertensive urgency. And in hypertensive emergency, we have hydralazine. Hydralazine is a arteriole dilator. ठीक है, यह आर्टरीज को डायलेट करता है. Esmolol is a selective beta 1 blocker. Labetalol is a combined alpha plus beta blocker. Esmolol बस beta blocker है and labetalol is alpha plus beta blocker. Enalaprilate, it is a parenteral ACE inhibitor, but it's not available in India. Then we have nitroglycerine or sodium nitroprusside. Sodium nitroprusside is a combined arteriole plus venodilator. ठीक है, मतलब सोडियम नाइट्रोप्रूसाइड आर्टरीज के साथ साथ वेन्स भी डायलेट करता है. एंड देन वी हैव डाईहाइड्रोपिरिडीन्स, जिसमें निकार्डिपिन इज़ प्रेफर्ड. वैसे क्लेविडिपिन कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड. इट इज़ अ शॉर्ट एक्टिंग डाईहाइड्रोपिरिडीन, पर ये जो क्लेविडिपिन है, इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. So let's see the difference between hypertension emergency and urgency. दोनों में BP is greater than 220 by 120 mmHg. Hypertensive emergency will result in end organ damage. There will be no end organ damage in hypertensive emergency. Hypertensive emergency में जो BP है वो बहुत कम समय में ही कम हो जाता है, within minutes. और hypertensive urgency में the BP needs to be decreased in hours. Emergency, the patient is admitted to ICU and kept under IV drugs. और urgency में वार्ड्स में रखते हैं और ओरल ड्रग से मैनेज होता है. ठीक है, तो हाइपरटेंसिव इमरजेंसी में एंड ऑर्गन डैमेज होता है और इसमें IV ड्रग्स यूज़ करते हैं. Hypertensive emergency में we use phentolamine. Phentolamine is a non-selective alpha blocker. Hydralazine, it's a arteriolar dilator. Labetalol, it is alpha plus beta blocker. Then we have pendolepam. Fendolapam is a dopamine agonist. Then we have enalaprilat. It is a ACE inhibitor, nitrotriglycerine or nicardipine. Then we have sodium nitroprusside. Sodium nitroprusside is arteriole plus venodilator. Clevidipine is a short-acting dihydropyridine calcium channel blocker. Esmolol is a beta blocker. Okay, so nicardipine is the first choice, and if it's a pregnant woman, then labetalol is the first choice. Hypertensive urgency में the drugs given are amlodipine, labetalol, captopril, clonidine. Safe drugs in, so this one's for hypertensive emergency or urgency.